Now, if you're skipping voicemails or winging them with, hey, it's just me following up, you're throwing away good potential leads every day. I used to ignore voicemails completely. I was told never leave a voicemail. I'm sure many of you have been told that as well. And fair, because when was the last time any of you got a call back from a voicemail you left? Exactly. That's why most SDRs either don't leave one at all, or the few that do sound like this. Hey, this is Neil from SaaS Sales Misfit. Just calling to follow up. You can reach me on this number. Imagine if you're on the other end of that. Are you ringing them back? No. That voicemail has gone to the voicemail graveyard. But then one of my managers said something that stuck with me. A voicemail isn't for them to reply, it's to make them curious enough to pick up when you call again. That was a light bulb moment. But how do we do that? How do we create curiosity to make them want to pick up when you call them again? Well, you start by understanding that the voicemail is not there for you to leave a pitch. It's there for you to leave a preview with almost a cliffhanger. Let me show you how. You need to do 3 things fast. You need to establish relevance, create curiosity, and give them a reason to pick up next time. So, step 1, the personal hook. Hey, Sarah, this is Neil. I saw your recent hiring push for 6 new AEs on LinkedIn. Okay, quick opener. Takes a couple of seconds to deliver. That's step 1, the personal hook. Why does it work? It immediately shows it's not a random call. You've done your homework. You've seen something she's posted, hiring. That's important to her. You've dropped it in the first 2 seconds of your call. Step 2, drop a curiosity bomb. Sarah, I help sales leaders who are scaling fast solve one hidden problem that most hiring managers don't spot until it's too late. This is designed to create intrigue, guys. Notice you didn't pitch a product. You didn't pitch a service. You basically just said, hey, there may be a problem you might not be aware of. I know this because I speak to your peers, right? Now they're wondering, what is that hidden problem? That's what keeps your name in their head. So then when you go with step 3, your clear close and callback seed, I'll shoot you an email now too, and I'll try you again Thursday morning, just in case that's easier. Talk soon. Now you've given them a next step, you've planted a callback seed, and you've positioned yourself as persistent but respectful. Yeah. We're telling them, hey, I'm going to drop you a line right now. I'm also going to try you again Thursday morning. Now they know when to expect your call. Again, you haven't pitched a product, but your attempt is to make them curious. And you've done all this in less than 30 seconds. So, step 1, establish relevance. You've done your research. I know you're hiring, Sarah. Step 2, drop a curiosity bomb. Hey, look, I'm working with your peers. There may be something that you're not aware of. Most of the hiring managers I speak to are not aware of. Step 3, you've given them next steps. I'm going to drop you an email now, and I'm going to try you again Thursday morning in case that works better. Those are your 3 steps. Okay. So lead with personalization, show them you did at least 30 seconds of prep. It'll instantly separate you from 90% of the reps. Number 2, don't sell the product, sell the problem. Create curiosity by teasing a pain point they may not know they have. Again, guys, you're all representing different types of tools out there in the market. Make this relevant to yourself, okay, and your target market, okay? Tell them what's next. Tell them when you're going to try again. Give them a reason to pick up next time, even if they don't call back. Guys, I want you to try that because it's something that not many SDRs out there are doing. Granted, most sales reps aren't doing. I've spent most of my career not doing it. But when I started doing it, I started getting callbacks. And crucially, even from the ones that I didn't get a callback from, when I called them, there was a recollection of who I was. It warmed the call up at the very least. Give it a go. You've got nothing to lose and crucially, everything to gain. Please let me know in the comments as well. If you have given it a go, let me know how you've got on with it. Good luck. And guys, that's it for another week. Remember what we're doing here. We are selling the future. Sell the problem, not the products. You need to become that strategic SDR, that strategic AE. That is how you're going to survive and potentially thrive in 2026. Because as I've said before, 2025 is set to be the toughest year for sales reps. You cannot have another year. If you're in that 80% that are not going to hit target this year, you cannot have another year like you've just had. You need to level up. Guys, if you enjoyed it and you stayed to the end, I appreciate you. Please do me a favor and like and subscribe. It helps me reach more people. And if you want to see more of me, click this video right here and I'll see you guys in there.